morning, my friends. All right, so today's topic is don't give up before the miracle happens. So you're all going to have been at very different points when you started this challenge. Some of you were well on your way. Some of you had been plant-based and vegan for many years. Some of you had been vegetarian. Some of you had never been near a vegetarian diet in your life. Some of you had some serious weight issues. Some of you had some serious health issues. So we all came in at different points. Some of you are teenagers. Some of you are in your 70s or 80s. So my point this morning is, I don't know what you've experienced. I've spoken to a lot of you during this challenge. I've had some amazing feedback. I feel like we're this incredible, cohesive, supportive group for life now. However, if you haven't felt this massive, earth-shattering, like, wow, look, I've lost 10, well, you're not going to use 20 pounds, but I've lost 10 pounds, and, you know, I feel absolutely a changed woman or a changed man, don't give up, because it might take a little bit longer for you. Now, this is a challenge because I wanted to kick-start you. I wanted to challenge you to do something that you hadn't done before, that you weren't able to do before. And that challenge aspect, again, was different for different people. For some of you, it was like, I'm gonna challenge myself to cook recipes I've never tried before. For some of you, it was like, I'm gonna challenge myself not to eat 3 meals of meat every day. For some of you, it was like, you know what, I'm just gonna challenge myself because I love cheese. It's been the most addictive and impossible thing to give up. So your challenge was your challenge. However, in terms of the benefits, in terms of the benefits that I talk about as somebody who's been 4 years on a whole food plant-based diet, the tremendous energy, the balanced ideal weight, the great skin, the, you know, feeling really good in my body, the nice clean labs when I go and have a physical done, you know, these are things that took time. They didn't happen overnight. Some people have these benefits immediately, like a week in, 2 weeks in, 3 weeks in, and for others it takes a little bit more time. So my plea to you this morning is, do not give up until the miracle occurs. So it is not a burning bush moment, this miracle, where you suddenly wake up one morning and you're like, whoa, I'm Superwoman this morning and I've got all this incredible energy. It'll slowly creep up on you. Trust me on this. You will suddenly wake up actually one morning and you'll go, wow, for the last 2 weeks I haven't had to drag my body out of bed. Wow, for the last 3 weeks I haven't craved sugar and cheese. Wow. And these are the sort of wows that happen almost after the fact. And to me, those are the miracles, and they all mount up. They basically, it's cumulative. So it's often not just one thing of like, oh, I've lost all the weight or whatever. It's cumulative. It's all the little building blocks, because what we're talking about, my friends, is a holistic way of eating and lifestyle. So all those different pieces of the puzzle, whether it's your hormones or your skin or your blood sugars or your cholesterol or your high blood pressure, all of those things all sort of blend beautifully into each other, because you are a whole person and all the different systems of our body all work together to support each other. So if you're not feeling the burning bush miracle, do not give up, because it will happen. And beyond this challenge, the challenge was the pushing you off the fence into the water, and then now it's time to, okay, now I've challenged myself, and now I'm gonna live this. Now I'm gonna wear it really, really well. I'm gonna make it comfortable. I'm gonna get comfortable in these new vegan shoes. So that's all from me. See you tomorrow.